We'll guide you through how to stabilize footage in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and load your project. Once you have your project open, head over to the Edit page. You'll see your timeline at the bottom. Click on the clip you want to stabilize. Now go to the Inspector panel on the right side of the screen. If you don't see it, just click the Inspector button at the top right to make it visible. Scroll down in the Inspector panel until you find the Stabilization section. Click on it to expand the options. You'll see a Stabilize button there, but before you click it, let's adjust a few settings. Make sure the mode is set to Perspective for most situations, as this often works best. You can tweak the smooth and strength sliders depending on how much stabilization you need. A higher smooth setting will give you a more fluid motion, but it might crop your footage more. The strength slider adjusts the intensity of the stabilization effect. Once you're happy with the settings, hit the Stabilize button. DaVinci Resolve will analyze the footage, which might take a moment depending on the length of your clip. After processing, play back your footage to see the results. If it's not quite right, you can always adjust the settings and stabilize again. This flexibility is one of the great things about DaVinci Resolve. Remember, stabilization can sometimes crop your footage, so keep an eye on your framing. If needed, you can always adjust the zoom level in the Transform section of the Inspector panel to reframe your shot. And that's it. You've stabilized your footage in DaVinci Resolve. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.